Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what this is? That's right, Tipsy Fan Submissions number 6, okay? These are drinks sent to us by you guys at home. This one is Paradise Punch, all right? Ice in the glass. Start off with some vodka. Beautiful. Okay, touch of amaretto. Come behind that with some Southern Comfort. Okay, all right. Loving this mix. Fresh squeezed lime juice. Get that up in there. Squeeze away. Okay. A dash of orange juice. A dash of pineapple juice. Look like the same bottle label, but no, it's different. And then we give it a little stir. A little flick of the wrist. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Some grenadine to create a nice red bottom. Not too much of that though. Sometimes that makes it too sweet. A little orange slice on the side. Bang! Raspberries on top. And this was created by my boy Dominic Knight. Okay? Dominic Knight. Okay, this one's Funky Punch. Love the name. Ice. Follow that ice up with a bit of pineapple rum. You're getting all these exotic rums from with these creations. Mango rum. Okay? Followed by passion fruit. This boy lives in the tropics, okay? He lives in the Wait, hold on. It could be a girl. This lovely lady lives in the tropics. Some Hawaiian punch, all right? Stir, 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 stir. Break out our little spoon. Put a little lime on the side. Ooh, Naolnik, okay? It's Naolnik. That's some Eastern European name. Okay, this one here is peach lemonade. Ice in the glass. Come behind with some peach vodka. Followed by some peach snaps. Okay, a lot of peachiness going on here. Banana liqueur. Okay, creme de banana. Come behind with some orange vodka. What? Okay. Bit of, what's that, lemonade? Yes. Okay, and follow that lemonade up with some sweet and sour. Okay, this is very tropical going on here. Touch of cranberry juice. Now watch the shake. We shake, 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 shake. Give it a good shaking. All right. Ice in our glass, and then we strain that delicious liquid in. Okay, now we need a cool garnish for this, okay? Because this have a lot of peachy stuff going on. A little lemon lime soda on the top. A little lemon slice. By Alex Pierce. What's up, Alex? Okay. And this last one is called the Limey. Okay, I think it's a bit English. A bit of ice. Come behind that with some spiced rum. A bit of triple sec. Yeah, get it in there, mate. A bit of Island Punch pucker. And then we come behind that Island Punch pucker with a bit of lime juice. Why we call it the Limey. Okay. All right. And now we're going to do a little shake, shake, shake. Shake your bottom. Okay. Ice. Then we pour it in. Yeah. Okay. God save the Queen. Top of the morning to you. All right. A little, this is wrong country. Little lemon lime soda. Lime slice on the side. And there you have it by Cameron Clark. Okay. Cameron Clark. All right. So these drinks are cool as hell, guys. Good job. All right, let me go in and take a little sip. Take a little sip. Okay, take a little sip. Good to go. That's the Limey. Okay, what's this? The Funky Punch. Okay, all good. Wow, I picked the peach one.